Let's take a look at some student work from problem number 3 of your quiz. Both student A and student B accurately identified the start time as 11:36 based on what the clock showed us, the elapsed time as 30 minutes because in the story it says that the cat sleeps for 30 minutes, and recognized that we were missing an end time. What time did the cat wake up? Both friends showed accurate jumps on their clock to represent the amount of time that has passed. Take a look at the answer that student A and student B got for the time that Gilberto's cat wakes up. Who do you agree with? Say your answers out loud and be sure to explain why you agree with that student. I see some friends agree with student A and some friends agree with student B. So let's talk about it. If you agree with student B, why? Why do you think it was 12:06? Say your answers out loud. That's right. I heard you say it was 12:06 because our minutes, our jumps, crossed the hour. We know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, and once you cross that hour, you move into the next hour and the minutes start again at 1. You can see here, once we get to the 12, the new hour begins. So we had 6 minutes past the hour into our new hour to make 12:06. What mistake did student A make, and what can we do to avoid that error in the future? Say your answer out loud. Yes, student A forgot that when you cross the hour, the minutes start all over again at 1. Today, as we work, we have to make sure that we notice when we cross the hour, and that we remember that when that happens, the hour changes and the minutes start again at 1.